Surface Fine Clad Dime, 2015. Well, Surface Fine, chocolate Easter egg. Easter was last weekend. Don't think I'm going to eat it. Well, I'm back out at what used to be an old Civil War camp and using the small 5x8 coil, and got up next to this big tree and just got a piece of fired lead, probably from a 3-ringer. It's pretty big, pretty heavy. Hopefully we can find some more. Down in the hole there, I had a 89 to 92 signal, and you know my luck with those aren't very good. I was expecting a can, but instead I got this thing. Not exactly sure what it is. Looks like it may be in a horseshoe shape. I am out here at an old Civil War camp, but I'm pretty sure that they didn't have plastic back in the Civil War days, and that's what that looks like. I don't know if it's a reflector off a bike, a trailer, a saddle, or what. I don't know. But I'll clean it up when I get home. It's better than an aluminum can anyway. This is the third modern dime I've found in the last 10 minutes. This is that's a few days past the Easter weekend, so I figure these may have came out of the money egg, or when the kids were running around looking for eggs. But no telling what else I might find. On to the next. Just dug a perfect nickel signal. 53, 52, 53, 52. And it fell out, and I see it down there in kind of a coin ball. Grab her out of there. Buffalo. Pretty decent shape for a buffalo around here. Hey, I think I can even get a date. See, 1914. Pretty sweet. Normally buffaloes around here are pretty nasty. Cool. On to the next one. On the next hole I got a 2 nickel spill, but they're both Jeffersons. I actually think they are the more modern designed Jeffersons, like from the last 10 years or so. They were down 4 inches. Oh well, as I say, a spill of any kind's good. On to the next one. Well, I've dug 2 holes and I got another modern Jefferson nickel. So 2 holes and 3 nickels, and 4 nickels total counting the buffalo in my last probably 5 holes. like nickel crazy over here. It's like digging a city park instead of a Civil War camp. Where's the old stuff? Well, my next target is older than modern Jefferson's, at least. An old iron ring of some sort. Typical crappy jumpy signal, but I dig it all. Aha! It's an egg. A plastic Easter egg, and it's giving me a nickel signal. Let's see if I got a money. Yes, I got some sixlets and another modern Jefferson. Sweet. Well, I moved out into a field next to the Civil War camp that they just plowed. Easy digging. Just got a fired musket ball. It's a little flat. But that's pretty cool. Out in this field we found seeded dimes, V-nickels, shield nickels, buffalo nickels, musket balls, 3 ringers. So maybe I'm finally onto something old. On to the next one. Looks like we might have some weather moving in. I'm going to work my way over to those 2 trees. I've had some good luck around them before. So we'll head that direction and see what I can find. This may be the last hole I dig. It's getting pretty dark. But I've got a good, well, a jumpy signal. 50s to the 80s down in this hole. And it's still saying it's 6 to 8 inches deep, so I'm going to do some more digging and maybe I'll come out with something good. Or it could be something bad, like a piece of aluminum. Ah well. Well, next target is Hot Wheels. Weird little car. Not old. 2015 even. Ah well. Well, I'm at a new location. Sorry about the wind noise. It's pretty windy out here today. But my first decent target. Got a spill. 27 cents. 1 copper, a zinkin, and a modern quarter. Next target, jumpy signal, got a bottle cap and my favorites, tokens. Not an old one, but I love digging up tokens. Just a no cash value one. Probably for a car wash around here. Better than a zinkin. I just got a 2 rosy spill. They're both clad. One of them's had a hard life. Oh well, on to the next. Well, my next target's a piece of junk, but at least it has a name on it. It says something Incorporated, Little Rock, Arkansas. It's junk, but at least it has a name on it. Alright, I'm leaving this area. Didn't get anything old. Got the token, which is pretty cool, even though it's not old. But I'm going to head off to an area where I have found older stuff. First target at the next spot, a nice 7-Up bottle cap and a modern Jefferson. Dang it! I'm not on to anything old yet, but I do have my second clad rosy dime spill of the day. I'm mopping up on the dimes. What's worse than digging a bottle cap? Digging a huge chunk of concrete with the bottle cap embedded in it. Ugh. Well, I just got a 5-penny spill. Let's see if you can tell which one's copper and which 4 are Zinkens. Yeah. 4 Zinkens. Small coil pays off again. Right over here next to the fence. Got my first weedie of the day. I believe it's a 56. I actually find lots of 55s and 56s in this area. Once again, sorry about the wind. Makes for good hunting, but bad videos. Finally, I got some silver. It's ringing up a solid 8081. I believe it's a mercury dime. It will be the third one pulled out of this area in the last few months. Give it a little bitty rub. Okay, maybe it's not a mercury dime. No, it is. It's just an extremely worn one. Extremely. Let me clean it up and I'll get it back here on camera. Well, sorry about the wind again. It's been dinged and dented, not by me, but it's a 1924. It has seen better days, but I love mercury dimes. My favorite coin to dig. And it's the third one that's came out of this area in the last month, so sweet. Now I got my mercury dime in that hole, and then right over here I got the first one of these I've dug. An old can opener. I haven't seen one of these in a couple decades. Junk, but pretty cool. Old sidewalk strips are a good place to hit. This one just kind of dead ends right there. Got a good signal right here at the edge. Flipped it out. I've got another silver. It's a Washington. Woohoo! Ugh. $1947. Don't see a mint mark. I'll take it. That is sweet. 2 silvers today. 47 and 24. Hit those sidewalks. I thought I'd close out the day by showing my trash. I won't make a habit of it because people who metal detect see enough of this crap on their own. But this is just to show that my family and friends that don't detect, you have to dig all this junk to get the good stuff.
I should have done a live dig, but I didn't. It was hitting a high tone. It was hitting a quarter. Well, so I dug the hole. Wasn't in the hole, but it was in the plug. And when I pulled it out, I seen shiny, and I thought I had a $50. But it turns out it wasn't, but it's just as good. There it is. A U of A football schedule. This would be a token or whatnot. Anyway, thought that was pretty cool.